Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I created a system for a door system that detects the movements outside your door using an ultrasonic sensor and a force sensor. So what happens is, let me run the simulation so that you can see. When somebody approaches the door, so this ultrasonic sensor, imagine this, the round object is a person. When the person walks, and comes close to the door, this piezo is inside the house. It will trigger a sound inside the house and alert. But when the person moves out, it stops. The same thing. The force sensor can be located under the mat or the steps. So if somebody steps on it, we tell you somebody is at the door. Otherwise, he or she leaves, no one is at the door. So I'm gonna be walking you through on how I created this system, how it connected the wires, and the code I will also share with you. So let's go about that. First, we need to open another Tinkercad. We need to open another Tinkercad window. Make sure you have a Tinkercad account so that you can be able to get the system. So the first thing is I created a blank space. Then I'll start importing components: a breadboard, an Arduino Uno. Uh, there was a force sensor, and then there was let's type here force sensor. It was somewhere here. The ultrasonic distance sensor, a piezo. Yeah, and that is it. Any other component I forgot about, I will add. So the first thing, oh, an LCD. So the LCD, put it here. And that is basically it. That's how we start. So I'll start by powering up the breadboard. Connect 5 volts here to the positive part. Color code it to red. Then the negative part to black to negative. Color code it to black. So when you do this, you only power this part, the half part of the breadboard. So for the other half to have power, I have to cross the wires. So the negative, connect it to the negative, and the positive, connect it to the positive. And after that, now we're good to start wiring the first component into place. So for the LCD, the first and the third one, they are ground. The second one is live. Let me do it again. This one is live. The third one is a digital. I'll color code it to green. It goes to number 4. Let me rearrange it for it to look better. Change this to color green. Next goes to 5. It's supposed the middle one supposed to go to the ground. This goes to number 6. It's supposed to be colored green. This goes to 7, and it goes as it increments. Let's increment till 9 as they follow each other. 8 and then 9. Now we're done with the individual ports. So we have connected the LCD to port number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9. So the next thing is connecting the power. You're supposed to have a resistor here at the end. Then a power, yeah, and I change it to red. The next, the others are quite easy. They're supposed to be a power. The next one goes with a resistor, and also remember to add a resistor here also. So 2 resistors in the system. It goes to the negative terminal, which is black. And then the piezo goes to number 3, since it's a digital output device. Here, it's almost forgot, here we go to the negative. Then we need a digital output to here, the analog. So the first sensor I connected to A1, analog input 1, change it to green, and then analog input 0 goes to the ultrasonic sensor. No, okay. I think I took the wrong component. I just need the ultra. So here, delete this. So A1, A0 goes to our sensor, which is this. This is ground. Then this goes to the power to the people. So this goes black. And I think we already done. So we have to check if we have interconnected our components successfully. We see if our LCD is receiving power. We see if our ultrasonic is receiving power or not. If it's receiving power, it will show the necessary controls. And then we go to the code part. So I hope you've already put the components in place if you are doing it with me. So let me start the simulation. We see if we're together. Yeah, the LCD is receiving power. Yeah, the other necessary components. Yeah, everything is in place. I will copy paste the code from my demonstration earlier. Then go here, code. Just a minute, it's loading. Go to code, blocks, text, then continue. Delete the existing code, copy paste. So I will not be typing the code all of it, but I will stop at random places so that you can be able to screenshot the code and try it on your own. So I hope you've screenshot from number 1 to 29. Then we'll go from 29 to the next, 29 to 57. You can take a picture of the code if you are typing it. Then from 56, 56 to 82, please take a picture. And then from 82 to 90. And that is our code. Give you a minute. So let me start the simulation and see if our no one is at the door. Somebody comes, ta, 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 steps on your door, on your stairs. Somebody is at the door. Definitely. Yeah. Stalker detected. So the next one is the ultrasonic distance sensor. Somebody else. Yeah. Detect. And any physical person can be detected. Ghosts that I won't promise it will detect. And that's my